guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing the monthly Boxycharm box. If you want to see what I got in my April Boxycharm box, then let's go ahead and get started. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This month's theme is a sweet treat. So the first thing in my box is the Touch and Soul Icy Sherbet Primer. This little ombre pink moment, so cute. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. They get a A+++ on the packaging. Looks like a really thick primer though, but it's really pretty. Smells like roses or flowers, I'd say. I don't know necessarily roses, but it just smells like flowers. It looks very thick and like sherbet. Sherbet? Is that a thing? Sorbet? I don't know. Lock your looks in place and keep them cool with Icy Sherbet Primer. This gel primer has an instant cooling effect once applied that hydrates and preps skin for makeup. The formula is silicone free with water capturing technology to lock in moisture and leave your skin feeling silky smooth. Okay, so that felt really nice. It's not like very cooling. I can feel a little bit of coolant, but it's not like, oh my god, this is so cooling. It's not, I mean, it's a little tacky, not anything crazy like the Milk Hydrating Primer or, you know, like the e.l.f. Jelly Pop. So not very much tacky, but it's still going to hold your makeup on there, I'm sure. But I like it. It was nice. And it's so freaking cute. I am definitely going to use it again. And this was $32. Okay, we are back. My face is done and I'm so sorry. I forgot to show you guys a product in here, but I watched Kathleen Light's Boxycharm video today that she uploaded, and I literally have every single product in my box that she had in hers. So if you want a better review probably, then go watch Kathleen Light's video. But I forgot to use the Dragon Beauty color corrector. It's in the shade Lavender. It's really pretty packaging. It helps to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Saturated with vitamin E and vitamin A, it blends effortlessly and offers customizable light to full coverage. This was $25. I was kind of excited to use it, but then again at the same time I'm like, I don't feel like a lavender could really do anything for my redness and like my dark circles. I feel like I would need a more orangey type shade, which was the same thing that Kathleen Light said. She used it and she said she felt like it made her dark circles worse almost, but I was kind of excited to use this and I just totally freaking forgot and I suck, so I'm sorry. Next we have, I don't know if I was excited to get this in my box or if I was just like, ooh, but it is the Natasha Denona Jubilee eyeshadow palette. I'm excited because I love my Natasha Denona palette that I got in my box like months ago, but this, the color scheme, I don't know. Is it pretty? Yes. Is it something Chanel's gonna wear? Probably not. Like, I'll probably use it for this video and never maybe use it again. I don't really know. That's not fair to me to say because I haven't used it actually, but just the colors are very kind of intimidating. I have watched a lot of reviews and this is not a black. This is like a blue. It says a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, featuring 5 colorful ultra pigmented shades that bring together a combination of celebration and balance between bold and pastel tones. This fun palette is packed with Natasha's iconic buttery smooth formulas made with the highest quality pure colored pigments, dazzling chroma crystals, and luminous pearls. Use it for a variety of creations from playful, colorful, modern looks to everyday wear with a pop of color. So after swatching it, I feel like I don't feel as intimidated. I feel like the bright yellow in this kind of just like makes it look more intimidating, but it's more of just like a very light shimmer, so that's not as bad. So yeah, let's test this bad boy out. And this was $48. That is so crazy. $48 for 5 shades, but I don't know if you guys can see this, but look at the fallout on my cheek right here. That is all blue sparkle and it is not cute, okay? I tried going for a more like kind of fun cotton candy vibe, but I don't know what the heck this turned into. This is a Shanelle doesn't know what the heck she does with color palette. So yeah, that's what you got. The colors were really nice. I do like them. This shade right here is a hard shade to use. I feel like
it's my autofocus this whole time.
Cute. I feel like every video that I've seen people doing these Boxycharm boxes, they use this as an eyeliner, and I wanted to do something different, and so I put it on the outer corner of my eyes, and I feel like it's more gray than anything. Like, it's not very blue, as you can see on my arm. It is a blue color. I'll just have to play with it some more because I did like it. Typically wouldn't use every single shade in a look, but I like to do that in Boxycharm just to show off more colors. So I will probably use this again, just not using every single color. But yeah, there's the eye look. Kind of maybe looks like cotton candy if you squint one eye and don't look out the other, but it's all right. I'm not mad about it. We're just moving on. The next thing in our box, we have the, I do not know how to say this, Q-V-E-E-N. There's a Q and then Veen. Q-Veen, maybe? Q-Veen, look at me. The Q-Veen Studio Dragon Lash Mascara. It's actually pretty cool packaging. Like, it's very, very slick and sleek. I really like it. This wand is really cool. It's got plastic bristles on one side, and one side it's like smaller, so I would use that for my lower lash line, which I very much appreciate. This is a tubing mascara, which I don't think I've ever used a tubing mascara, so I'm kind of intrigued. I've heard a lot of good things about it. Instantly create the look of lash extensions with Dragon Lash Mascara. This lash doubling volumizing mascara lengthens and separates, giving you flirty, intensely black lashes. Dragon Lash Mascara is a semi-permanent high gloss black tubing mascara. Unlike conventional wax-based mascaras, tubing mascaras contain polymers that wrap around the lashes, creating tubes so they don't smudge or flake. Plus, they're easy to remove, making you less likely to experience lash fallout during removal. Okay, I don't know how I feel about the mascara. I don't know. I thought I would like it a lot more than what I do. I feel like it didn't really add that much length, and I don't feel like it's the blackest mascara that I've ever used. I don't know. I think I need to test it out a few more times to see what I really think about it. This was $18. Next, our last item is this Terry DeMars. Sounds fancy. It's a body cleanser. Very bougie packaging. An organic, low foaming, aromatic, and soft cleanser suitable for all skin types. Infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee and rosemary extracts. Infusion with verbena oil. Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. I feel like I smell the, I don't know what this scent is. It kind of smells like tea, maybe? I don't know. This was $22, and I actually have to shower right after this, so I might as well test this out. I love very much foamy cleansers. I don't know how you say that. And this is low foaming, so I'm kind of bummed about that, but I guess I'll test it out. So yeah, that is gonna be it for this month's Boxycharm. Let's add up all the products really fast. The Natasha Denona palette was $48. The Touch and Soul primer was $32. The Dragon Beauté color corrector was $25. Holy cow. Quavine Studio Dragon Lash Mascara was $18. And then our Terry DeMars body cleanser was $22 for a total of $145. So not bad. That's a pretty good box. If you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below what you want to see next. If you haven't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Go out and make the world smile. I feel like I have a hair. I do have a hair. The last thing in our box, oh no it's not. Why is this video taking so long to film? So yeah, that is, I just gotta, that blue will not come off of my arm. I remembered to zoom you guys in today. Zoom, 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 zoom.